Hello, my name's Stanley. Trading is already underway and I've made about $2,400 using this strategy during the current session. The signals are very clear without any unnecessary false movements. Now, in this video, I'll show you how I read the market using this system and what confirmations I consider mandatory. So please stay until the end. The most indicative entry is ahead. Of course, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 1 minute. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the CCI and the Alligator. Let's configure the Alligator first. Set Lips Shift to 1. Set Lips Period to 3. Set Jaws Shift to 3 and Jaws Period to 5. Go to Style, Disable Teeth. Set Lips to Turquoise, Width 2. And let's set Jaws to Yellow, Width 2. And Save. Next, let's configure the CCI. Let's set Period to 5. Go to Style, Disable Background. Let's set Mainline to Turquoise, Width 2. Let's set the width of lines 100 and minus 100 to 2. Move opacity to the right and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and friend, if you trade on your phone, configure it the same way. I'm gonna start with a cautious but confident decision. Expiration is 2 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $49. Now let's break down the strategy step by step and see exactly how it shows a change in direction. Pay attention to the Alligator. The moment the turquoise line rises and crosses the yellow line from bottom to top, the market gives the first clear hint of a change in movement. This means that the downward pressure is weakening, the structure is beginning to reverse, and the price is gradually coming under the control of buyers. Such a signal rarely appears by chance. It reflects the beginning of an upward momentum. Next, we connect the CCI. Here we see confirmation. The turquoise line also crosses the yellow line from bottom to top, reinforcing the initial signal. This indicates that the growth is supported by momentum and the change in direction is synchronous, with no contradictions between the indicators. A good start. I've locked in $45 in profit and I stay in the market. On Telegram, I demonstrate a systematic approach: analysis, risk control, auto-copying and daily scenarios. This format is for those who want structure, not chaos. Admission is free, but space is limited. So if you would like to work with the system, please contact me. Next, a new entry point is formed. Expiration is 2 minutes. And I'm opening a short trade for $94. After a short period of growth, the price reaches resistance and begins to lose momentum. There is no further upward movement. The market gradually reverses and shifts downward. The candles become less confident, the bodies shrink, which clearly shows the weakening of the previous momentum. As the situation develops, the pressure from sellers becomes more and more noticeable. The downward movement is formed neatly and consistently without sharp jumps, and the structure begins to clearly lean towards the decline. And that's an excellent result. There's another $86 in profit. So moving on. The next moment looks particularly confident. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I'm opening a short trade for $665. The price loses support and almost immediately begins to accelerate downward. The market reaction looks harsh and unambiguous. As soon as the level stops holding the movement, the price goes lower without pause. The downward candles stretch out, the bodies become denser, and each new close only reinforces the overall direction. The market clearly follows the chosen vector without chaotic pullbacks and unnecessary fluctuations. The pressure from sellers is constantly felt, the structure of the movement is built consistently, and the momentum develops exactly as it does in a strong downtrend. So I'm completely confident in the current direction and plan to profit from this movement. The indicators are very helpful at the moment. They are pointing downwards in sync and clearly confirming what is already visible in the dynamics of the chart. And friend, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me in a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. A strong result? There's a profit of $612. So the series continues. Final entry in this session. The timer is set for 2 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $1,278. After a short pause, the market clearly reacts to the support and begins to reverse upward. The price doesn't linger at the level, it immediately gains momentum, which quickly gains strength. It's clear that the downward pressure is disappearing and buyers are almost instantly taking control of the movement. The candles become more dynamic, the bodies stretch out, and the movement itself noticeably accelerates. The structure looks neat and logical, no chaos, sharp pullbacks, or questionable fluctuations. The growth develops consistently and confidently, which indicates strong initiative on the part of buyers and good potential for the movement to continue upward. Let's see. An excellent finish. I've locked in $1,176 in profit and my balance has grown to $2,454. So, let's sum up the results. Great trading session. My balance has increased from $49 to $2,454. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to learn more, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!